Today I am reviewing the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you're looking for a new smartphone, it is incredibly easy to get distracted by the massive $1,000 price tags of flagship devices. But let's be honest for a moment. Most of us do not need a pocket computer designed for heavy video editing or 3D rendering. We need a phone that handles the daily grind flawlessly, lasts all day, looks great, and won't break the bank. Enter the 2025 Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. This phone takes some of Samsung's best high-end features and packs them into an incredibly affordable, durable package. Samsung is legendary for its screen technology, and they did not hold back here. The Galaxy A17 5G features a massive 6.7-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED display. If you are upgrading from an older phone with a standard LCD screen, the difference here is absolute night and day. Because it is a Super AMOLED panel, the colors are rich and vibrant, and the contrast is essentially infinite. When you're watching a movie in a dark room, black pixels are completely turned off, giving you true, deep blacks instead of that annoying gray glow. Whether you're scrolling through social media, reading recipes in a bright kitchen, or video chatting with family, the display remains ultra-clear and super smooth. It breathes life into video games and streaming content, making it an absolute joy to look at. What good is a beautiful screen if it shatters the first time it slips out of your pocket? Thankfully, Samsung made durability a massive priority for the A17 5G. They have upgraded the front glass to Gorilla Glass Victus, which is famously tough against scratches and drops. The back of the phone is constructed from an innovative glass fiber reinforced polymer. This gives the device a sleek, premium, and slim profile in the hand, while offering much better impact resistance than traditional glass or cheap plastic. On top of the physical build, the phone boasts an improved IP54 rating. This means it is highly resistant to dust and can easily handle accidental splashes of water. If you get caught in a sudden rainstorm or accidentally spill a drink on the counter, you don't have to panic. It is built to survive the messy reality of everyday life. One of the most exciting additions to the Galaxy A17 5G is the inclusion of Samsung's top-tier artificial intelligence features, most notably, Circle to Search with Google. This feature completely changes how you interact with your phone. Imagine you're scrolling through an app and you see a pair of shoes, a cool watch, or a unique piece of furniture that you love. Instead of closing the app, opening a browser, and trying to type out a vague description, you simply hold down the home button and circle the item directly on your screen. Instantly, Google identifies it, shows you the brand, and tells you exactly where you can buy it. It feels like magic, and it saves a massive amount of time. But the AI integration doesn't stop there. The built-in assistant acts like a personal coordinator. For instance, if you're trying to organize a family gathering, you can use a single voice command to ask the AI for group game ideas. The phone will automatically search for ideas, log the event directly into your calendar, and draft a text message with all the details to your loved ones, all without you ever having to manually switch between 3 different apps. It genuinely simplifies your day-to-day multitasking. Around the back, the Galaxy A17 5G sports a versatile triple-lens camera array. The high-resolution main sensor ensures that your daily snapshots look incredibly crisp, even when lighting conditions aren't perfect. Whether you're taking wide-angle family portraits at a holiday dinner, capturing sweeping landscape shots on a weekend hike, or zooming in for a crisp close-up of a friend, the camera system balances colors and exposure beautifully. Samsung's advanced photo processing ensures that skin tones look natural and details remain sharp, making your memories truly picture-perfect and ready to share instantly. In an era where almost every smartphone manufacturer is removing the micro SD card slot to force you into expensive cloud subscriptions or higher-priced phone models, Samsung stands out by supporting expandable storage on the A17 5G. The phone comes with a generous 128 gigabytes of internal space out of the box, which is plenty for your essential apps and daily media. However, if you are a digital pack rat who loves keeping thousands of high-resolution photos, extensive video libraries, and offline movies on hand, you can expand that storage up to a staggering 2 terabytes using a micro SD card. Having that level of freedom is a massive win for the consumer. To keep all of these features running smoothly, you need serious battery support. The Galaxy A17 5G is optimized to maximize battery life, allowing you to focus on your day rather than hunting for a wall outlet. When you do eventually run low, Samsung's super fast charging compatibility ensures that you can plug in, juice up rapidly, and get back to your life without being tethered to a cable for hours. As an added bonus for entertainment lovers, the phone comes preloaded with Samsung TV Plus. This grants you completely free access to over 350 live TV channels, alongside thousands of on-demand movies and TV shows. No credit card, no subscription, and no hidden fees, just free entertainment wherever you go. Furthermore, you can say goodbye to a bulky wallet. With built-in Samsung Wallet and Tap to Pay functionality, your compatible payment cards, loyalty stamps, and membership IDs are securely stored right inside your phone for lightning-fast checkouts at the grocery store. Finally, let's talk about the incredible long-term value. Smartphones can get expensive if you have to replace them every 2 years because the software gets outdated. Samsung has completely solved this by promising a staggering 6 years of operating system upgrades and 6 years of consistent security updates. This means your phone will stay fast, fully protected against security threats, and packed with the latest software features all the way into the 2030s. Combined with a solid 1-year U.S. manufacturer warranty, you are getting a reliable device designed to go the absolute distance. Ultimately, the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G in black is an absolute home run. It beautifully bridges the gap between premium luxury and budget-friendly practicality. With its breathtaking 6.7-inch AMOLED screen, robust physical durability, cutting-edge Google AI tools, and an unprecedented 6-year software commitment, it delivers an extraordinary smartphone experience that will feel modern and snappy for years to come. If you want a dependable, high-performing phone without the premium price tag, this is undoubtedly the device to get.